Baby, I'm loving the taste. I think I'm ready for kids. He said, well, it's still trying to come in the face. That makes sense.
I wonder what
That's what I gotta invest in. I gotta get that mic. Get your mic up and shit. When you get in the performance, you got a mic and shit. That way motherfuckers can use it clearly. You're like, oh, what did he say? But you know, motherfuckers always love to fuck with it.
Hey.
On everything.
You already know.
Yes, sir. TMF Studio 402. Let's go.
And we South Omaha's finest. They don't know. Hey, we went to South High School. We South Omaha's finest. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, Lord. They got the ones on, they can add another one and that's my shoe. They got the ones on, add another one and that's my shoe. Hey, that's dope. I like that. 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 That part. Look at my shirt.
Oh God. That's content like a motherfucker. It's money worthy too. It's money worthy too.
That part. Hey, I dig that shit. I like that shit. I like that shit. Hey, I like that shit.
We gon' come and blow the jersey up.